This is a 1999 Star SV32J. Machine comes with a L&S Express 332 magazine bar feed. Fanuc 18IT control. Machine also has a chip conveyor. It's not connected to the machine currently. We're going to run it now. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 on the main spindle. 3,000. That's 4,000 on the main spindle. Max RPM is 7,000. All right. Now we'll run the sub. That's 1. 2,000. That's 3,000. 4,000. All right. We're going to index the turret now. It's an 8-position turret. All right. Gang slide. Machine has 15-degree indexing on the main and sub spindle. Now we're going to run the live tool. $1,500 RPM. $2,500. Max is 6,000 on this. That's 3,500. All right. Now do the headstock. All right. See the bar feed pendant functional. Inside of the bar feed. Okay, you can inspect this machine in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.